Today we are looking at the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport in Radiant Red. This 7-seater SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to look at are these maple sugar leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating and ventilation in the front row. This maple sugar interior theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, as well as these wooden accent panels and microfiber sueded headliner. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel holds your controls for a heated steering wheel option, cruise control, Cadillac Super Cruise with an OnStar subscription, media and volume controls, and paddle shifters. Behind the steering wheel to the right is your controls for your windshield wipers, and to the left are your headlight controls. Behind this is your gauge cluster, as well as a screen in the center, displaying things such as vehicle information, trip information, mileage, and more. In the center of the display is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. Below this, you'll find your climate control options, as well as your controls for your heated and ventilated seats in the front row. In the center column, you'll find your shifter, as well as more controls for media and infotainment, as well as your drive mode selector and traction control. The center console offers loads of room for storage, as well as 2 USB charging ports, an SD card tray, and a wireless charging pad. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find your power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your parking brake and your heads-up display controls. Your heads-up display can be found right here. Above, we have our digital rearview mirror, which can be toggled on and off with this switch right here. As we take another look at this Radiant Red exterior, the first thing I want to look at are these 12-spoke alloy wheels, as well as the red brake calipers. Since this is the sport trim, you'll find that most of the exterior options are black or body colored, such as the door handles, windows, and roof rails. We can also see that the rear windows are tinted. Heading to the back, with the touch of a button, we can open our power lift gate, showcasing our cargo area. On the right-hand side, you'll find power controls to lower that third row of seating, as well as the second row. As we take a look at the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, their own climate control, USB charging ports, and storage down below. In the seats, you'll find pull-down cup holders. For ease of access into that third row, you can pull this lever to move the seat forward. Look up, and you'll see that beautiful panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight into the cabin. And that is the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport in Radiant Red, located at Wolfe Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.